In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Pine script in TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your chart, then you want to go to the bottom right over here and click on this Pine icon over here. If that's not showing, you can click on this button which says Product at the bottom right, and you want to put this star next to the Pine editor, and you're going to see it over here. Of course, you can click over here as well, and it's going to open up your Pine script editor. Now, in here, to actually add a Pine script, usually you're going to have to create a new one. So click on up here, whatever's open, and then you want to click on Create New, and then click on Indicator or Strategy or whatever you're doing, okay? So I'm just going to click on Indicator over here, and then what you want to do here is just delete whatever's on here and just paste in your Pine script. So I have a Pine script which I generated with ChatGPT. It's just a custom trend momentum indicator over here, but of course you can have whatever you want or build whatever you want with like AI or of course on your own if you know how to do this. And then when you're ready, click on Add the chart over here, and then it's going to load for a second, and there we go. It's going to add your Pine script to your chart as a custom indicator, strategy, or whatever you're using Pine script for. Now, of course, you can also go up here and then save it if you want to, and that's all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.